In a world brimming with the extraordinary, where the boundaries of reality are constantly being redrawn, there lies a frontier that is not just reshaping our future, but also challenging the very essence of what it means to be human. Welcome to the profound and perplexing universe of artificial intelligence and the quest for superintelligence. Today, we venture beyond the surface, peeling back layers of scientific endeavor to uncover the truths and the myths that surround this enigmatic field. Join us as we delve deep into the heart of AI, where each discovery could alter the course of our history. Imagine the algorithms as the silent architects of a digital realm, crafting the cognitive pathways that guide artificial minds. These algorithms are the unseen hand, the conductors of a symphony of data, orchestrating the learning and decision-making processes of AI. From the meticulous guidance of supervised learning to the free-form patterns of unsupervised learning and the trial-and-error dance of reinforcement learning, these algorithms are the backbone of AI ingenuity. But the question lingers: can the strengths of these algorithms balance out their inherent weaknesses? And what does that mean for the future of AI's evolution? The concept of superintelligence, an intellect that dwarfs our own cognitive capabilities, is as alluring as it is daunting. There are myriad avenues that may lead us to this pinnacle of artificial cognition. Consider the AI method, an echo of our own evolutionary journey, a digital mirror to the biological process that has shaped humanity. This path seeks to forge an AI that can adapt and learn from its environment, an artificial entity evolving in a digital ecosystem. Then there's the cerebral venture of brain emulation, a process that sounds torn from the pages of science fiction. The premise is simple yet staggeringly complex. Map the human brain, translate it into a digital format, and simulate its processes. Researchers are not just imagining this future, they're laying the groundwork for it. But the challenges are immense, from unraveling the enigma of consciousness to the sheer computational might required to emulate the human mind. Alan Turing, the forefather of artificial intelligence, once envisioned the seed AI, a nascent artificial mind that could mature from a childlike state to a towering intellect. This vision is a testament to the potential of AI to not just mimic, but to grow, to learn from its experiences, and to refine its capabilities over time. Yet, we stand at the precipice, looking out over a chasm of unknowns, regarding the nature of learning and the intricacies of cognitive development. There exists a pervasive myth that AI will inevitably harbor desires and emotions akin to our own. Yet, this is a fundamental misapprehension of AI's capabilities and purpose. While AI can be designed to recognize and respond to human emotions, this is a far cry from experiencing them. These systems are not sentient beings, but tools crafted to interact with the world in ways that serve specific functions, whether it's detecting distress in a voice or offering comfort without feeling compassion. On the fringes of the superintelligence discourse lies the controversial realm of gene selection and embryo selection, where intelligence is not just nurtured, but chosen. The ethical quandaries are as profound as the scientific challenges, threading through the moral fabric of our society. This path to enhanced cognition through genetic manipulation is fraught with questions about the nature of intelligence itself and the ramifications of such unprecedented control over human attributes. The odyssey towards superintelligence is a tapestry woven from threads of ingenuity, ethics, and unknowns. As we chart this course, it is imperative to remain vigilant of the profound implications and the formidable challenges that accompany these ventures. Thank you for accompanying me through this intricate exploration.